Hi! In front of me is Motorola EDGE 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Motorola. You need to start by opening Devices Settings. Then scroll all the way down and click on System. Over here you need to click on Gestures. Then select One-Handed Mode section, and if you are using gesture navigation, tap on this switcher next to Use One-Handed Mode. Then click on Pull Screen into Reach over here and follow all of those instructions. To use One-Handed Mode, swipe down from the bottom edge of the screen. When I do that, as you can see, One-Handed Mode is now on. If you wish to go back, just swipe up or click on this area. If you are using 3 keys though, you need to access One-Handed Mode section, but this time scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to One-Handed Mode shortcut. Then click on Got It and use One-Handed Mode by tapping on the shortcut whenever you wish to. You can even hold it and move it around. If you wish to disable this feature, just tap on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!